this is Emily Parham, and I'm here to talk about my midterm app I created. I apologize if my voice is a little scratchy. I've been recovering from a cold, so I'm going to try my best. So basically, what I made is a bookshelf app. I've really gotten into reading this year, so I thought I would love to make an app that's practical for myself and something that I would want to use on a daily basis, which would be an app that I can use to track the books I've read and the books I want to read. So right now you're looking at the home page. There's two little subsections, books I've read and books I want to read. I also want to mention how in my code I made little subsections, so it's like the front part up here is like nice and neat, and then all of the extra detail is down here. I also wanted to make sure that I didn't just have like one big content view with like a ton of lines and code and stuff like that, so I made a ton of different individual views, so that way it's like a not tidy and neat, so you know exactly like what you're editing and what you're working with. So let's click the first button, books I've read. So when you click on it, you're going to see exactly all of the different books I have listed. It's going to include like the search bar, the title, and then every book is going to have an image, the title, and who it's made by. So let's click on a book. And so once you get in here, it will show a bigger image, the title, and then a description. All of it's going to be like a scrolling view vertically. And I think the hardest part of this was trying to figure out how I can do the star ratings. You can click on them individually, or you can just click all the way up, which I thought was a really cool addition because it kind of helps me keep track and remember like what books I really enjoyed. I also tried to theme each of the different views to match the cover of the book. So this one's blue. So you can click the back button and it will take you all the way to the front page, or you can click this one and it will take you back to this. I'll show you a different one. It's an example. Again, clicking the different stars. So let's go back. And for books I want to read, it's very similar. It just doesn't have the star like rating aspect because the books I haven't read yet exactly, so I don't have a metric to rate them off of because I haven't read it. But it's still kind of the same concept of having the description, the title, and then the cover of the book. But yeah, here is my little app. Here is kind of a detailed look of what I did as an example. But yeah, I've definitely kind of had a harder time adjusting to this compared to web development, but I feel like I've been progressing really well throughout the semester, and it's been like really challenging to kind of learn SwiftUI and learning Xcode, but the book's been really helpful, and I'm hoping that by the end of the semester I become a lot more proficient in it. But yeah, it's been a really fun experience getting to learn about Xcode, so thank you.